Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some Chipotle shrimp tacos. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So we got our shrimp, and then we got our Chipotle peppers in that adobo sauce, right? Now we're going to hit it with some lime juice, and this is going to be a marinade, right? So we got to put this in the fridge. We're going to go in with a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to hit it with some salt. So I'm using some Himalayan salt. Now, like I said, we got to get this bad boy in the refrigerator. Before we do, we're going to give this a nice toss, right? And then we're going to take those, Chipotle peppers, and then we're going to squeeze them so we can get all that flavor, marinated into that shrimp. So those peppers are going to give you some smoky, spicy, with a little bit of sweet flavor. It's going to be nice with that shrimp. Nice combination. And you want to let this marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Alright, so now that's done. We're going to put that in the refrigerator, and now we're going to cut up some cilantro, right? So we got to make some slaw for these tacos. So we got some cabbage, right? Some purple cabbage, green cabbage, and a little bit of carrots. So we're putting that cilantro in there, and then we got some spices and sugar that we're going to add into that, along with some mayo. Now I love my Duke's mayo. Now tell me what type of mayo you like in the comments. Now we got a lime, right? So we're going to use this entire lime, and we just going to squeeze it. Now cooking is like therapy, right? You taking all that stress out on that lime, right? Getting all that lime juice out. So my daughter was like, hey man, I want to see how strong you are. Now it does look like, you didn't have enough mayo, but with that lime sauce, it's going to thin out that mayo, and it's going to be just the perfect amount for the slaw. Now you're going to also place that in the refrigerator. Alright, so now we got to get to the sauce. So now we're going to take 2 Chipotle peppers. Now, just from experience, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, use a food processor and get that thing beat up, and I'll show you why. Now we're going to add a combination of spices, herbs, along with some mayo, and then we're going to give this bad boy a stir. Now this sauce right here is going to be absolutely fantastic to top on top of that taco with those shrimp. So it's going to give it some added flavor, and like I said, man, this is going to be a pairing in heaven. It's going to be fantastic. And you already know, man, you got to give it a taste test to see if you need to adjust it, right? So now I got my Blackstone griddle. It's already heated up, so we're going to go ahead and cook these shrimp on high heat. Now we want to cook these shrimps on both sides for 2 minutes, both sides, right? Now as you can see, why I left those peppers in there, now it's going to create, that fun on that griddle, and that's going to create a lot of different flavors for you, right, while you're cooking those shrimp. So when it's ready to go ahead and take them out, and then now we got to toast up our our tacos, right? So what I'm using the Hawaiian style soft tacos, and those are absolutely delicious. Nice pairing with these shrimp tacos. Now we're just gonna go ahead and get this bad boy plated up. We got our slaw, and look at that right there. Like I said, it was just the perfect amount, with that mayo, and it came out absolutely perfect. Alright, now we're going in with the shrimp. Now, as you noticed earlier in the recipe, I did leave the whole chipotles, right? And that's going to give you a flavor explosion when you take a bite out of these shrimp tacos. So you're going to have a flavor explosion of the chipotle peppers, and then you're going to have that shrimp that was cooked perfectly along with that slaw. Now we're going to put the sauce on top, right? Got to get that ready. Now we did have an incident, right? And keep looking, because I got some bloopers at the end. So I just went on ahead and spooned the rest of the sauce, right? But again, here you go. I got you in the game. Listen, I got you in the game. There you go. Look at these shrimp tacos right here. These Chipotle shrimp tacos are going to be an absolutely wonderful, fantastic addition to your repertoire. You in the game. So enjoy it. Alright, so they say good things don't happen after it gets dark. And I'm going to say that's not true, because we got these shrimp tacos right there, and they look absolutely delicious. So we got to get this bad boy taste test. That's absolutely delicious right there. I'm gonna go in for another bite. Now that's absolutely amazing. Now, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this content, please smash that like button. And for the people that's been rolling me for a while, we'll see you guys soon. Peace. Now I normally don't do this, but we're gonna have a little bloopers, right? So the sauce blew up. I told you we had a little incident, right? So we had a little pepper that got stuck, and look, man, sauce was everywhere.
That just scared me.
So my kids are absolutely funny. So my daughter, right, she was like, hey, we gotta finish this video. So give her a thumbs up, man. Sauce all over. She was still recording. She is the real MVP. Hey, enjoy this recipe. Peace.